Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. In this video, we'll talk about why I installed a whole home water filtration system and what I've learned from it. Because I love science, I wanted to see results, so I did two tests. One, which is the ppm test, and the other one is a pH test. I wanted to see how installing the system impacts the drinking water system in my home. Oh my God, do I have results. What are the immediate results, you ask? I no longer get the brown or black sludge that come out of the faucets on occasions. I also do not see sediments in the toilet water reservoir. Ice cubes seem clear. The water no longer smells like chlorine, which means when I cook, my meals won't smell chlorinated. Now that we got that out of the way, come with me and let me show you my system and the reason I picked the system and the results from the ppm and pH tests. P.S. For my regular subscribers, if this is not for you, please click on the link above and we will take you to a video you are used to seeing from our channel. Alright guys, so I actually have a two-tier water system. The first one is this GE water filter, and this GE water filter filters out the larger sediments and rocks from the system from preventing my internal plumbing system, which includes the refrigerator and the toilets, from getting damaged. The second system is this Collagen brand water filtration system that filters out all my chlorines and everything, chloroform, whatever it is, many smaller microbes. My assumption is that from my drinking water or cooking water. Just to give you an idea how this works, without this, my water will smell like chlorine, taste like chlorine, and when you cook, it doesn't smell or taste well, smelling like chlorine. So this is one of the reasons why it's so important. Alright guys, so one of the things that I want to discuss is this, that I live in a condo. And for those people who live in a condo who have these closets that have utilities in there, generally not enough room, just like if you look at it here. And I've actually looked at different systems, the other systems that have dual or triple filter options will not fit in there. And the bigger systems, literally more expensive, won't fit either. They are 3 to 4 times as thick as this here. So as you can see, it's not even potentially enough to put 2 in here. So this is the reason why I stuck with this GE GXWH04F system, because it fits. This is the perfect size for a condo living, and it does the job well. One of the most important systems about this is, if you look at this, this is where the water feeds in. And it comes up, it comes to my meter, and it goes directly to my water filter. And you want to do that is because you don't want all the gunk or rocks and stuff like that to come in and damage your really expensive piping and or systems. And one of the things I'm going to show you is the reason why it is so important to get the big stuff up front rather than later on, say under the sink or whatever it is. But you'll see. I will see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is what happened. What really got me to do the whole home water filtration system. If you look at this, what I did was I had a failure in the plumbing system. It wasn't filling. It didn't have enough pressure. So I kind of looked at it and opened it, and I pulled this apart. And what happens is this little valve, what you can see here, this is supposed to be a good valve. However, when I got it out, this thing was holding on for its life doing this. And there was a really big, I guess a sharp looking small little rock that cut into it, and literally that's what's causing the problem. So if you look at this little rock came in simply because of the water in Atlanta here where I live. Here's the thing, where I live in Atlanta, there's a lot of buildings going out. Every time they seem to be connecting water, well, my water isn't what it is. This is the reason why the rock came in, sliced through it, and it was like that. And now I have put in the whole home water filtration system. Hopefully that will negate this type of issue. So this rubber hose represents the water intake for my ice maker. So what had happened previously was I needed, I guess I called plumbers twice about the ice maker not working and not being able to get anything, any of the water in there. Both times cost me about $300. And lo and behold, every time that, you know, they come in, pull it out, this hose, the water hose that goes into my ice maker is plugged up with a rock. So this is another reason why I think having a water filter system, the entire home water filter system, is important. Alright guys, we're going to be doing a point in time test. This is as of May 12th. So what we're going to be doing is testing for the particles. We're going to be testing for the pH of the water. And what we're testing for is water straight pipe. This is water filtration system, and this is actually bottled spring water from a name brand, a major name brand. Not going to disclose the name, don't want to get sued or anything, but at least you know. So let's start with this. This is the particle. So this is a particle meter. Starts at 0 right there. And we're going to put it into the straight pipe. Straight pipe reads 0.053 per million, parts per million. Okay. And we're zeroing this out. We're putting into the filtered system. Filtered system reads 0.049 parts per million. And we're going to zero this out again. We're going to put this into the bottled water. And wow, surprising. Bottled water 0.074, and this is natural spring water. So it has more in terms of parts per million, in terms of sediments or things in there, than the filtered and the non-filtered water. Very surprising. So now let's get to the pH. Alright guys, we're going to be testing the pH of the water, and what we're going to do is we're going to start from the straight pipe. So the pH range from 1 to 14, 1 being extremely acidic, 14 being extremely alkalinic, 7 being in the middle. And by looking at the straight pipes from the water faucet with no filtering, it's 800 going down 799. So that's actually it's still going down a little bit, so it's trying to be a little more accurate. So it's near neutral, near the middle, the 700s. So let's take a look at the filtered. So this is the double filtered water in my home. Let's put that in there. And immediately you see it start going, but it is at 800s, 839, 840. So what it's doing, it's making the water less acidic, it looks like, what the filters are doing. So it's at 846, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so 849. So let's take a look at the last one. Let me zero this out first for the bottled spring water. $800, 20, 16, 15, so it's going down again. Going down some more. 803, 802, 801, 799, 798. So this is really close to in terms of the pH like tap water then. So see, the numbers are really similar. So there you have it, guys. So it's continuing to go down a little bit. So yeah, it's similar to the tap water in terms of pH. There you have it. You have the particles per million. You also have the pH of the water. And we will see you in a little bit. Here's what I've learned from having the home water filtration system installed. I no longer get the brown or black sludge that come out of my faucet on occasions. I also do not get sediments in the toilet water reservoir tank. My ice cubes seem cleaner. The water no longer smells like chlorine, which means when I cook, my meals won't smell like I poured chlorine into it. The pH levels are less acidic as well as cleaner than both tap water and bottled spring water. The bottom line, I made a great decision to install a 2-tier home water filtration system. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.